na cinema tour.
Oo, nag-cinema tour ako nung umaga, nung 24, hanggang afternoon, and then Noche Buena, then 25 cinema tour ulit.
So hindi pa kayo nakakapag-bonding ng dad mo ng mahaba-haba after niyang galing sa ospital?
Briefly lang sa bahay, binisita ko sila a few days. Pero yung bonding talaga namin Noche Buena na.
Puring-puri ka ng mom mo kasi ikaw daw nagbayad dun sa hospital sa Singapore.
Sinabi pa niya yun. That's a secret.
Very thankful siya kasi mababait daw kayo, si Rufa and si Raymond.
Okay. Okay. It's our duty as their kids, and to take care of them naman when they're older.
Pero Choy, nag-work pa kayo ng dad mo, di ba? Nagsama pa kasi
Kaya nga,
Incognito.
exactly.
So, you're looking forward. I think magpa-part 2 pa yung Incognito, di ba? Though, tapos na yung role niya dun sa first. Pero, you still wish na sana magkatrabaho pa kayo na okay pa siya to work.
Yes, syempre yun yung wishful thinking namin, and yun yung prayers namin. But yes, it's such an honor to work with him sa Incognito. He really enjoys acting, he really enjoys being in front of the camera and portraying different characters. And naramdaman ko talaga yung passion niya nung ginagawa namin yung Incognito.
Lalo na ikaw ang kasama.
Yes.
Di ba? Oo. Pero tuloy na yung part 2, nakaano na ba?
As of now, wala pa. Unahin muna yung sa amin ni Gerald sa beginning of the year. And then we'll see what's after that.
Kasama mo raw ba si Barbie doon?
Abangan na lang natin yung mga announcements.
So,
Marami
wala
pang
pa.
announcements sa January.
Ano nilulook forward mo for 2026, Charlie?
Well, aside from doing a quick vacation after this, of course I'm looking forward to the teleserye with Gerald. It's going to be the first time we're going to be working together, and it's going to be a great show. I think we have a good concept. And after that, I'm doing a film with Regal again. So yun, medyo hectic yung first quarter, first few months of 2026.
Maraming natutuwa, Chad, na parang open na kayo ngayon ni Barbie. Nakikita na kayo in public.
Yeah, of course.
Ang tipid.
Next time, save natin yan for 2026.
Wow, okay. Thank you,
You can
Chad.
say
Thank
happy
you.
in love.
Happy lang. Dapat kayo rin, ha?
Oo naman, marami. Thank you, Chad.